Hello everyone. So in today's video, I thought I'll give you some insight into listening. Unlike reading, listening in general, academic and division illa രണ്ട് ടെസ്റ്റ് എഴുതുന്നവരും same listening test ആണ് attend ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. There are 40 questions and 4 sections to listening. The sections are divided in such a way that the first 2 sections are social everyday situations related, whereas the third and fourth section are purely academic situations related questions. Okay. First section nathilukku two speakers undayirikkum or audio where there are 2 speakers speaking to each other or having a conversation with each other. For example, a telephonic conversation with a receptionist. Second section there will be only one speaker. For example, a tour guide explaining or describing a place to the tourists. Okay. Third section നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു academic ആണെന്ന്. Third sectionൽ ഒരു group of people ഉണ്ട്. 3 to 4 people present ആയിരിക്കും അന്നേരം നമ്മൾ കേൾക്കുന്ന ഓഡിയോയ്ക്കകത്ത്. So for example, a project guide discussing the project with the students, with 2 or 3 students. Okay. The fourth one is again only one speaker. That can be a lecture on some random subject by a professor or something. That's an example. Okay. Now ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ 4 സെക്ഷൻസ് പോകുന്നത്. ഇനി നമ്മൾക്ക് 40 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു. അപ്പം ഓരോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ഓരോ മാർക്കാണ്, നെഗറ്റീവ് മാർക്കിംഗ് ഇല്ല. So suppose you have 38 questions correct, then your marks, your actual score is 38 on 40, then it's later converted to band scores. Now the last thing is when you do listening, you have 30 minutes for the listening test and another 10 minutes extra to actually transfer your answers to the proper answers sheet from your question booklet. Okay, so these are a few things I would like to tell you today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.